continuing to lead the industry trends. Each stride pushes excellence forward. Through focused research on core optical components, the high-standard clean workshops achieve dust-free production of laser heads and laser sources. Standardized and refined production processes, along with quality inspection procedures, ensure consistent product performance. Through dedication and self-reliance, Bodor leads in building a laser ecosystem with 6 self-developed core technologies. Through innovation and change, Bodor is always a step ahead. In the smart digital factory, 9 automated assembly lines achieve standard and efficient production, delivering 1 Bodor laser cutting machine every 10 minutes. Supported by world-class intelligent manufacturing systems and stringent quality management, Bodor is committed to offering top-quality products with no defects, driving industry transformation and advancement. At Bodor, craftsmanship and intelligent technologies make the excellent quality a consistent performance. Bodor laser machine cut all the Tokyo 2020 Olympic and Paralympic symbols on the victory ceremony podiums. Each step aims towards tomorrow's best. Bodor's global approach and high-level European standard attract top talents from around the world. In 180 countries and regions, its footprint reaches to hundreds and thousands of customers' plants to fulfill Bodor's belief in paramount service. Bodor is committed to establishing a global service network. This ensures quick response times and professional service for global customers. As Bodor steps to the world's grand stage, the fixated focus, the story's new page, will celebrate the coming realities. Bodor Laser has secured the top-ranked global sales volume leader for 4 consecutive years from 2019 to 2022. At Dream Park, the future global headquarters of Bodor, spanning 300,000 square meters, a gathering place of diverse dreams, boundaries are removed, and ideas are inspired. Bodor will build a pivot for the laser application of tomorrow, and the largest laser cutting and welding equipment production base will rise. Bodor is clear that it is a
0 to Weld Master. Full tech demo. Weld Artistry. Join our Bodor Weld Live on July 3rd.
Bodor, dare to dream.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the meta party of internet right now. I'm Dennis at Bodor. Today we are talking about the future of welding, and it's right here, the Bodor handheld laser weld. Now let's take a look. This is our Eco Series handheld laser weld. It's using water cooling technology, and it's more compact than traditional laser water cooling handheld laser welder. And this is our Pro Series. It's using our innovative refrigerant cooling technology. And this is our Air Series. It's using air cooling method. And today, no boring lectures, folks. It's all about action. Live demos, mind-blowing speed, and results that will make you inspired and impressed. And my awesome crew is gonna be with me on this adventure. And we have got Novia. Hi, Novia.
Hi.
She's like zero welding skills, a total newbie. we are gonna make her weld live. So enough talk, let's get this party started. But first, maybe a little peek at why you need this machine. So if you work with metal, you probably know the story. Traditional welding can be slow, messy, lots of grading needed. So finding skilled people is tough. Distortion is a headache, especially on this on thin stuff. What else? The sparks flying everywhere, the noise, the time it takes. So many jobs, MIG, TIG used to be the only option. That if you want speed, clean, and easy of use, forget about it. More and more pros, shops, and artists are looking at it and saying there's going to be a better way to fix it. And there is handheld laser welding. Laser welding can now take over most work of MIG and TIG, especially on 1mm to 5mm stainless steel, carbon steel, and even aluminum. This is a smartphone to your old flip phone. Faster, easier, and smarter. Today, you will see how laser welding helps you master welding. Plus, we've got a special offer for you watching live today. So, send code Bodor M1 to info@bodor.com now. You can secure the special discount for our next promo live. Okay, all right, Novia. Moment of truth. Are you ready to make your first weld ever?
I hope so. I never touched a welding gun before. It looks very heavy with all the responsibility.
Well, perfect. That's what we're going to say today. We want to say if someone with absolutely no background like Novia can pick up the machine and go through the basic settings to make a weld. So, all right, let's walk the whole process.
Okay.
Okay, for 3mm stainless steel plate and tube, we will go through each step as if you are just setting it up in your own shop for the first time. So let's start at the very beginning. Novia, let's look here. The step one is to set up for the parameters. Anyone who has used the traditional welding, you will know what's coming next. So first, let's turn the machine on. Okay, power's on, Novia. You can just set all the parameters here through this single knob. All you need to do is to switch, turn to select, and press to confirm.
Okay.
Okay, now turn to select weld. This is weld.
Okay.
And press to confirm.
Press confirm.
And select stainless steel. And press to confirm. And select turn to select 3mm.
Okay.
And press to confirm.
Confirm.
Okay, that's all.
Oh, that's it. We are done.
Yes,
Okay.
literally, it's literally all you need to do is to select, turn to select, and press to confirm. The machine is just designed to simplify all the welding setup. Now, let's take a closer look at the panel right here. I think it's a very beautiful design. Let's come here and see the filter knob design. It combines the physical button and digital button. You can do a lot just by turning and and press the knob, which makes the settings and make quick adjustment really intuitive. So you just need to turn to select, press to confirm. It's quite simple, right?
Yeah, it looks easy. Shall I start welding?
Oh well, now there is still a little bit of prep. A welder always does the pre-flat check.
Okay.
So first, I'm going to check if our gas is on. So see here, the gas is on, and next before we even turn to real welding, you need to check the connection of different parts of the system. Thinking of like plugging things in. You've got the main cable from the gun to the machine, and if you are using fillet wire, the wire feeder cable, and most importantly, the protective gas line is here. You need to make sure all the connections are perfect for your next welding. These connections are usually designed to only fit one way, so it's hard to get wrong. Okay, next. Next is our wire feeder. So let's check, open the panel.
Also, there is a wire involved. I thought it was just laser.
Yes, for sure. Let's see. Today we are welding 3mm stainless steel, so we are using steel wires. Well, for some jobs, especially if there is a gap between your metal pieces, or if you want a stronger weld seam, you need to use wire fitting. But a lot of the thin stuff, you don't even need it. But setting it up is quite simple. So let's check how to set for today's task 3mm stainless steel. Well, let's start with a speed of around 45, and you can adjust the speed here, plus and get lower. 45 degree speed is quite all-around number. After finish all the settings, the wire feeder will feed the weld automatically to the torch when you weld, and you can also adjust the feed length through these two buttons. Press this to feed automatically, and you can also feed it back through this button. So, all right, that's done for our wire feeders, and you pop. Let's see here. This is our welding torch. You can press this button to control the feed of your weld. See here, and you can also feed this back. Okay, that's it. So all you need to do is to put your wire in the spoon and press the button, and the machine feeds the wire all the way to the torch for you. No manual threadings and no messing around. So here, Lovia, do you notice this little guy?
Yeah.
This is our Bodor. So laser handheld laser welding nozzles. For we have different shaped nozzle for different jobs, for flat surfaces, for inside corners, and for cutting. This is super clever because the nozzle itself becomes the guide for your welding, which is make it easier to get a perfect weld. Today we use flat surfaces, flat weld nozzle. Well, So all right, so the physical prep is done. A nozzle is ready, and the weld is ready. Time for real weld, Novia.
Okay, is that it?
Oh, the torch. Do you know about the torch?
No.
I'm gonna give you a quick guide. See the big button here. This is a trigger of your weld. When you press it, the laser is active, and you can start to weld.
The go button. Okay.
Yes, the go button.
Okay.
Now look at the very tip.
Mm.
The copper piece is the nozzle. We talked about it before. And not only direct the shielding gas, but also helps you physically guide the torch along the metal. Now, here's a super important part that a lot of people overlook. That's the protective lens here, right in the middle of your welding gun. Think of it like the screen protector of your phone, and right in the center is the laser beam, which you can see comes out from the torch. So, all right, and last thing, this is a clamp goes for on the metal. It's a safety.
Mm.
If it's not on, nothing happens. So you need to clamp on the metal for your next welding.
Okay.
Okay. Now you can pick up the
Oh.
you can pick up the welding gun,
Okay.
and I'm gonna help you clamp on the metal.
Okay.
So how do you feel when holding this welding gun for the first time?
It feels balanced, not as heavy as they look in the pictures, maybe.
Yes, people are often surprised by the feel of this. They are just not that heavy as it looks in the picture, right? So they are designed to be ergonomic and manageable for handheld work. So now everything's ready, and most important thing next is positioning. Positioning it correctly is the key here. You can press the tip on the thing and follow the line.
Okay.
And the laser is only active when you press the trigger.
Press.
So you are in control.
Yes.
And if you are ready, you can go. Just press the trigger, place the tip on the metal, and go ahead. With dragging it slow along, follow the line. Okay, everything is ready. You can go.
Yes, I'm ready, I think.
Okay. So first thing first, you need to put on your
Okay.
glasses and gloves. Okay, let's check. Can Novia achieve her first ever weld with no experience before?
Yeah, okay.
Now you can clip your metal with this.
Okay.
With it.
Thank you.
And place a tip on the metal seam. You look a little bit nervous, right?
Oh, I'm a little nervous.
Take care. It's very easy to use.
Okay, here we go. Slow it. Oh, it's actually okay. The wire is just come out by itself at very perfect speed.
Yes.
I think this is amazing. Oh,
Okay.
okay, I'm done.
Let's see. Let's see.
Okay.
Whoa! Take a look at this. Let's get nice close up on the weld. See the beautiful rise seam. That's from the wire feeder. We just set up clean, strong, and done by a total beginner of a full real world setup. But most of the stuff we do is got corners and angles. So Novia, let's try something more difficult, something more real world with same metal, same thickness, but it's achieved now. You are basically now a pro now. So are you ready to go to the level to weld?
No, yes, totally. Bring it on. I think I cannot mess it up now.
Well, okay. 我感觉没好了。So let's see here. Catherine is just twiddling one setting on just several settings on the knob, and now watch the tips on the torch when it, after she welds. And look at this is watch the tips of the torch when he welds, and okay, and look at that. This is a perfect fixed scale weld. It's not just strong. It's I mean beautiful for customer car stuff, motorcycles, high-end furniture. This is the look you pay big money for, and she just dialed it in and did it. Okay, here we go. So are we ready? Okay, let's put it on the ground. Hey guys, look carefully. It's a rusted deleting laser now. See that? It's kind of magic, right? It's literally vaporizing the rust, perfect for preparing old metal before you weld it, or for restoration work. I mean, one for multiple jobs. It's just so good, right? See, look how easy it is to remove the rust on your old rusted workpieces. And next we have got still more. So next we are going to show you the cutting function of our laser welder. And before we demo this function, still, as we mentioned before, all you need to do is select and press confirm the functions you need to use in your fabrication shop.
是哪一个？是几毫米的？
这个是咱调的是多少毫米的？这是2毫米的。这个需要压着是吧？
2毫米。
And the Bodor laser weld L series is just showing its cutting function with a 2 millimeters thinness steel. Pro can literally create art with this thing, but let's get real for a second. We have all been there. You got neutral, you are excited, and your first attempt doesn't look like that. For that, we need to bring in Zoe, who has seen it all. Everyone, let's see Zoe. Zoe is our lead support tech, and she is the person who is on the other end of your phone when you have any questions. So how's it going, Zoe?
Not bad. Hi guys. Hello there. Hello everyone. Today, let's talk about a story that really happens in the real world. Today, I brought a few examples that most common. What did I do wrongly here that people more often call us about? To be honest with this machine, it's usually a simple fix.
Yes, sure.
You want to see a few of the most common questions.
Well, let's do it.
The outside problem. You got too much material here. It may be strong, but it is ugly, right? You're gonna have to grind it all down later. Totally waste of your time.
Yes, that's definitely a waste of time. And I think I have done this mistake before on other machines. So what is the causes of this problem? Too slow?
That could be. It's more likely your wear speed is slightly too high than you are moving. But again, super easy fix. You don't even have to move your feet. So just go to our little point here.
Okay, so you mean this is a wire feeder?
Yeah, wear feeder. See, the wear speed is to 80, but it's too much. Now I'm gonna wear it back down to 55. Now the welding will be perfect again.
So is that just as simple? When I adjust the parameter from 80 to 65, I can avoid the bad samples you just showed us, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's the next one you bring us?
Okay, let's move on to this one. Like 30 colors looking weird. It looks terrible, right?
Yes, the one looks very, very bad. It's not weld at all.
It's almost always easy to fit or. That's what happens when your wear doesn't have a bodyguard.
A bodyguard? What do you mean by bodyguard?
It refers to the shielding gas or
Okay,
organ.
so shielding gases?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, the organ. If the gas isn't flowing or the gas flow is slightly too small with your nozzle far away from the metal, regular air gas in the masses everything are.
So I mean the fixes is to check if you remember to open the gas bottle.
Yeah. just to check if you open the gas filter and make sure you are holding the nozzle nice and close to the metal, and try again.
Okay, I see. And I've also got a problem. I've seen sometimes I've seen the welder seems may look really mass. The weld seam is like a tiny battlefield all around the beam. So what's the problem?
Okay, you refer
I mean, just like this one.
you mean
right.
the spider wheel.
Yes, yes.
There you get over a little bird and a tiny melter for this everywhere. The wheel that makes your springs more tight with a longer clean up than you actually wear your pipe.
So exactly. What's causing all these spatters?
If you have too much energy in the wrong place problem, you might just have the power too high.
So the power too high. I mean, do you mean the fix is also to be more gentle and to get a lower power?
Yeah, exactly. Just go to the knob and dial the power back to a tiny bit. That's it. But the other
Fix one.
even more common reason is your technique. If you are holding the nozzle too far away, the laser beam isn't forced properly, and the shielded gas weak, things get unstable, and the sweater appears.
Okay, I see. It's just the same solutions with the black weld,
Yeah.
right? Okay. Thank you, Zoe. That's awesome. I have seen that actually, or basically, there is no problems that is really a scary problem, right?
Yeah.
No matter when it's have two beams or holes on the weld, the fixes for so many of those issues is the same. Get nozzle down close to the metal and drag it with a smooth, steady hand and let the tool do the work.
Yeah, you got it.
So next, do you know what's the best way to avoid problem? Just a little bit of your machine. I know what you are thinking. It's maintenance. So the first important maintenance is the replace of your protective lens. Do you know how to replace your protective lens? In this, we have prepared a close-up video. In this video, it shows the whole process from the start to finish. So let's roll the clip.
Next, here are steps to replace the window protective lens. Lay the dust-free cloth included in the package. Use adhesive paper to seal the welding nozzle. During the replacement, make sure that the operation environment is clean and tidy. Open the protective lens cabin of the welding head. Take out the window protective lens holder and close the cabin. Rotate the locking piece 90 degrees clockwise and take it off. Put the piece on the dust-free cloth. Take out the damaged lens. Take one new protective lens included with the package. Peel off one side of the protective film on the new lens. Use the other side to align the lens to the lens holder. Do not touch the lens directly so your fingerprint doesn't pollute the lens. Put the locking side of the lens locking piece down on the protective lens. Rotate the locking piece 90 degrees counterclockwise until it tightens the lens. Insert the lens holder into the welding head. Please refer to the instruction manual included with the package for welding techniques.
And that's it. More like changing a battery in the TV remote. You need to make sure your operation is in a clean and tidy environment. It's the most important piece of maintenance you can do. And remember, that little piece of glass costs just a few bucks. Alright, number two, the nozzle itself. This is a part that right in the heat of the action. All you have to do is to look at it once in a while, just to check the little hole in the center. It is getting clogged with spatter? Is the hole getting all chewed up and mishappen? If so, you can try to clean it in a little wire brush or just the lens. You just unscrew, just like that. You can just unscrew it, unscrew the old one and screw on a new one. And again, it's a cheap consumable parts, no big deal. And finally, number 3. This isn't even really maintenance, it's just housekeeping. First, the gas. Just glance at the gauge on your gas bottle. It's getting low, full. If it gets low, you know you will need a new one soon. And not surprised. Next, the cables and the hoses. Just look at them, make sure they are not kinked up or tangled under your workbench, or just run over by your chair and just keep them tidy. And that's the ground clamp. This thing needs a good clean connection to your work right. And once we just give them a quick scrub with a wire brush, get any grip of it. Okay, done. That's literally it, folks. Check your lens, check your nozzles, and do your housekeeping. That's the entire maintenance plan. It's not a fragile lab instrument. It's a tough workshop tool designed to be used and designed to be easily taken care of. And you can do this little 3 minutes routine, and this machine will be your best friend for a long time. Okay, that's it, everyone. That's Bodor Welder. So wrap it up, a total beginner can use it, a pro can create art with it. Any problem is an easy fix. And it is designed to be powerful but simple. It just works. And next, we also promise you a deal. The code is Bodor #1, and use it on your next promo live. When you request your code, send the code to info@bodor.com, and you can secure the special discount right now. And huge thanks to our amazing crews here, and huge thanks to all of you watching. That's it from us. Thank you.